9 games unbeaten, good form Olympia, and another tough match awaits. Match in Krško. How confident are you to win the next match?
Oh, we are really well prepared, and then we are working hard on training all the time, and then I hope we are 100% ready to face them. Yeah.
You scored your 9th goal of the season against Celje, second in the cup. How confident are you to maintain this good form?
Well, 9 goals. I know I scored, but it's past. I just looking forward to work hard and score more to help the team, and then the team should go forward. Yeah.
What is the atmosphere right now in the team?
Well, we all feel good. We all feel happy. We are ready to fight. We're forgetting about everything all the time. 3 points all the time. We had it, and then we're always ready to go forward and win a lot of games here.
Olympia works hard, and in the last match you scored a goal in 19 minutes. This has to mean something.
Well, I was at the bench and I was ready to come in and do something. If I don't start, it's okay. It's also football. I don't have to come in all the time, but I was ready. I was watching them, looking how they are moving and those ones. That's why I get a couple of space to move on, and I think we are all ready. It's not me alone. We all work hard and we made it here.
The boss sent you on the left wing. You played this season left wing, right wing, striker. Where do you feel the most good?
Well, I feel good on the top and on the left. It's okay, but all the time where I play this, it doesn't matter. All I want to do great and fight and then help the team. If I don't score, I will just want to make pressing and everything for others to also score. So if I play top or on the left, it's okay. But now for the moment, I prefer to play on the left here.